If you have a following, big or small, you are probably missing out on one of the simplest ways to monetize it. I'm talking launching your own merch with no inventory though, and no upfront costs, and not having to know a thing about e-commerce. With Printify pop-up, you can literally launch your own store in like 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this today. Literally, in the next hour or so, if you take action, you will have the link to your own merch that you can be selling to all of your followers. Because let's be real, as creators, as influencers, brand deals, YouTube ads, they're all cool, right? But you are leaving money on the table if you're not selling something for yourself. And the thing that's stopping most people is time, money, and tech. And that's why Printify created the pop-up store. First, you are going to sign up for an account with Printify. You can do so with the link in my description below. You can sign up for free. Now, let me show you what Printify has to offer, and then I'm going to show you how simply you can create your own pop-up store today. So look at all of these products, and now within each of these, there's even more. For example, if I click on women's clothing and then t-shirts, you'll see they have so many different brands that you can choose from, and my favorite t-shirt brands are the Bella Canvas 3001, and then also, let's see, also the Comfort Colors 1717. Those are my go-to. However, they are all really great. But you could sell t-shirts in your shop. You could sell anything that you have in mind. You could do calendars or notebooks or journals. You could sell mugs, magnets, stickers. Probably any product that you are thinking of, they offer. So feel free to browse their catalog. I have tried many samples of their products and they're all great quality, and I also have thousands of 5-star reviews from happy customers. So if you don't want to order samples for yourself, you can trust me to know that the products are really good quality. So you are going to come to this page within Printify and then go to pop up right here. And then you get to choose your store name, and whatever you put in, it will populate a URL for you. So if I show you Jenny from the shop, my URL would be this right here, .printify.me. That would be the link that I would put in my bio or send out in an email campaign or send to my family and friends so that they can purchase my products. Then you would fill out the rest of all of this. And here you'll be able to pick the theme and the look of your store, and then later you'll be able to customize it more to your own store appearance. So you can pick whichever one you want out of these just for the initial phase. And then down here, you're going to launch. And at this point, you can now start adding products to your store. Since we don't have any products to our store yet, well, we can see what it looks like. We'll say visit store. Look, the racks are empty at the moment. So we have to add some products to our store. And the way you're going to do that is click my products here. Also, you will be asked to verify through Stripe. They use Stripe for their payment processing. So just FYI for that, it is safe. I have done it a few times and I haven't had any issues with that. So just keep that in mind. But back to the products. So we're in my products and we're going to go to browse products here. And now you can pick whatever product you want to put your designs on. If you don't have a design yet, don't worry. I'm going to show you how you can easily make logos or cool designs for your merch. But first, let me show you an example. So let's go to t-shirts here. And I'm going to choose one of my go-tos, the Bella Canvas, and start designing. Right now, I am working on adding my first product to my shop. You can take a tour if you want to learn it more, but I'm going to just show you what I know. So now I'm going to come over here to upload, and I'm going to pull in my design that I previously made. My device, I'm going to scale this down a bit and make sure that it is centered. And then over here, select variants. You can choose whichever colors you want this to be sold on. So I like the soft cream for this, and I'll keep white on there as well. And then I'm going to click Save Product. Save selection, because I'm going to end up using my own mock-up, which I will show you in just a moment. Right here, I'm going to upload a mock-up photo that I already created, which I'll show you how to do that as well. The reason why I add my own mock-up photo is because I feel that it is more aesthetically pleasing to the buyer than just a shirt. I like to have it on a model or like with a nice background. That's just my personal preference, and from my experience, I've gotten way more sales using a mock-up like this than just a basic one of just the t-shirt. So replace previous mock-up selection, and if I have more, I can add more here. And then like let's say I put up a white mock-up as well, I can link it to the picture. So for this one, I'm going to click soft cream. So when somebody is on this color, they'll know that it's the soft cream, and that's if they want that, that's the variant that they will select when they are checking out. So confirm, and then I would just fill out the listing details here, not just a Dreamer t-shirt. Printify gives like a generic description, but feel free to add more to this to fluff it up and make it more of your tone of voice. You can also use ChatGPT to help you make like a nicer, fluffier description if you would like. You have the option to enable personalization, you know, if they wanted to add their name or date to it. But if you were going to do personalization, definitely show examples in the mock-up photos for that. And then you're just going to choose your shipping method, and then we're going to come here to publish. And I just went ahead and added a few more products to my stores just so you could get an idea of what it looks like. But that's simple. You can add as many products as you would like with your designs. The other thing you can do is you can customize your store. You can add a logo, and I'm going to show you how you can quickly make a logo for your store. You can change the theme of your store, the different color palettes. You can add a banner image. You can change the text color. You can also change the arrangement of the products. Like let's say I wanted this one to be shown first. You can move them around to however you would like. Maybe I want all of the shirts together, all of the sweatshirts together, all of the mugs together. You can easily arrange them that way. And then you can also link your social media to the Printify pop-up shop. Now the best part is you are going to take the URL to your pop-up shop and place it in the bio of all of your social medias, you know, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, wherever it is that you have a following, and place that link. When someone purchases an item from your shop, Printify is going to print the design onto the product, package it up nicely, and ship it directly to the customer for you. That's why in the beginning of this video, when I said you don't need to worry about inventory because Printify has all the inventory for you. It's not like you're starting your own shop with all the materials and you have to buy a bunch of things and make a bunch of products and pray that they sell. There's none of that worry with this because Printify doesn't make the product until the order comes in. And that's also why there's no upfront costs, because you don't have to pay for anything until you get an order. So you don't have to worry about any upfront costs until you get an order. Once you get an order from a customer, you will have to pay Printify for the product and the shipping. However, you're going to be making the difference from the sale. And then another worry or concern that you might have is, I'm not an artist or I'm not a graphic designer. How am I going to make cool designs for my merch or a logo for my shop? I'm going to show you right now how easily you can do this. All right, so if you want to make designs fast without having any artsy background or any graphic design experience, you need to know about Playground, and you can try them for free with my affiliate link in the description below. But basically, you click on any of these design templates that you like, and you can change them to however you want in a matter of seconds with the AI box here. These 3 designs that I have in my Printify pop-up shop, I made in a matter of seconds using Playground. And then on the main page of Playground, you'll see the first spot here is logo. You can easily make a logo for your shop in a matter of seconds using Playground. You can tweak any of these done for you templated logos to make it your own, to add to your Printify pop-up shop to make it look even more professional. So again, you can try this out for free with my link in the description below. So yeah, in 10 to 15 minutes, you will have a shareable link to put in all of your bios to share with your followers. What I love about this is that you don't have to worry about finding suppliers, getting inventory, shipping. marketing, spending your time making the products and packaging them up nicely and shipping them to your customers, that all takes time. Printify does all of that for you. So now you are having true time freedom. You're getting to sit back while the orders come in, and you just sit back and make the money while Printify does all the work for you. It's just create, share, sell, and every sale is more money in your pocket. For creators in 2025, passive income streams should be the norm, not the exception. Take this as your sign that it's time to turn your audience into an income. They're ready to support you. If this video helped you, please give me a like, subscribe for more content like this, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.